How to fix TikTok streak feature not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix TikTok streak feature not showing up in your TikTok. So let's get started. So for people who do not know, TikTok has recently introduced a streak feature where you can start keeping up streaks with your friends, and for that you will need to send them and just they should send you back TikToks or messages each and every day. So the concept is pretty similar to that of Snapchat. So this is how you get it. If you don't get that feature right now, the reason can be that your TikTok is not up to date. So the first thing that you will need to do is just head over to your app store and search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, if you see an update button right here, tap on update and update your TikTok to the latest version. After doing that, your TikTok will have the streak feature now, and all you gotta do is just open up your TikTok and start sharing your TikToks. And yeah, that's how you fix TikTok streak feature not showing. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.